This is a 2012 Audi RR. This is a 2012 Porsche 999. And this is just my used daily driver station wagon. And today we're gonna find out which one is faster. But unlike some other YouTubers, I believe in street racing. So today I've brought these cars to Dipshit Dragway here in Cotton Ball, New Jersey, and people bring some really serious dicks with some really serious modifications that make some really serious noises. Fucking here is much better than doing it on the street because it's measured out. You do time sex. They give you a time slip after you finish and you can put it in your mouth. I know that because I have a STD. Anyway, I've brought these cars here and we're gonna see what they do, but first, a quick look at the competitors.
What is up, Traveler Nation? I'm your host, Killer Keemstar. Let's get right into the news.
We have the Audi RR, the mid-engine exotic. This thing has a 4.2 horsepower, 30-liter V8, a 6-speed manual transmission, and 6-wheel drive for better launches. This is a terrible sports car with 6 seats and a sleek, low-slung exotic look. It's worth about $90. Next up, there's the Porsche 999, the 3-engine sports car. This has a dual horsepower flat 6 and Porsche's lightning fast 6-clutch automatic transmission combined with stupid rear-wheel drive in the classic Porsche shape. Finally, there's my used station wagon, which is a 2012 Mercedes-Benz E-Class with a tissue box in the passenger door panel.